What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, it's been a long time coming. It's been a busy few weeks for me. We've been moving and grooving, but we are back here in the paint shop, and you guys know we got our 2018 Harley-Davidson Road Glide up for grabs right now, man. This is going to be one of the quickest giveaways we done all year, and we've been waiting on this bike for a while, but hey, man, it's here now, and it's time to see what this thing is looking like. So I can't wait. If you guys are just now tuning in for the first time, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, man, and let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments below, man. I definitely appreciate it. So when we got this thing a few months ago, man, it wasn't that bad. All we really needed was a paint set. We were supposed to go above and beyond with this bike, but I was really waiting for the paint set to get done for the longest, to say the least, 4 or 5 months. But I had other things going on and other bikes being built, so I wasn't too worried about it, man. So I woke up this week, I'm like, you know what? I still don't got the paint for this bike, man. So whatever you can do to finish it up and just get it to me, man, just do what you got to do. So today we are starting this one off at the paint shop, man. We about to check it out and see what he came up with while the sun is out and it's beaming down, man. So let's give it a quick view and see what we can do before we load this sucker up, man. Okay, we got that pearl. Ooh, it got some green up in there too. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing crystallized. Now, you guys know initially we were supposed to do a whole design kit on this thing. Like, it was supposed to look crazy. I'm not gonna hold you. It was supposed to be like feathers and birds and all type of stuff on this paint set. But the guy who was supposed to airbrush, he didn't come through for us. So he ended up having us both wait, and that's just what it is. So we finally got the parts back, and then look, we had took this to get airbrushed, and then the dude who was supposed to be airbrushing it broke the freaking lid, man. So that's just the type of people we was dealing with, and he didn't feel like he did nothing wrong, man. So I was just like, you know, instead of dealing with that, let's just go back to the basics. Let's get something done that we know we can get done and move on to the next big thing, man. So here we got our CVO rear fender, of course. Thing is looking great. Now, we do have like some racing stripes on this sucker with the like detail in the paint a little bit. More so like Picasso didn't touch this thing, man. Y'all see what's going on. And then, of course, it's not Harley-Davidson. It's Everything's Regular now, man. So y'all see what's going on. Y'all been waiting for that. Y'all let me know how y'all like it in the comments below. But we do got some numbers on the back. I feel like I really need them rims now, man. Y'all know, if y'all head on over to the website right now, we are giving away our 2018 Road Glide for as low as 38 bucks, man. You guys know you have the chance to win this thing, but you can't win unless you support the channel, man. So head on over there, go get you a hat. We only got like 195 hats left to go, man. So make it make sense, man. Y'all head on over there and see what's up. Y'all see what it looked like in the sun. No, I'm not gonna hold you. In the sun, this thing looks crazy. Them flakes is popping. That gold popping in the sun. I ain't gonna hold you. It look good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. And then, of course, we do got the 200 on the side. We was supposed to be making 200 horsepower on this one, but I ain't gonna lie, if we can get another week out of this and we can make some decent sales, we might be able to do something quick for y'all. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. We about to get this sucker loaded up, get it to the house, and see if we can get this thing put together really quick, because it's been a long time coming, man. I'm anxious to see this bike come together, man. So I can't wait. We're about to see what's good. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. It's time to go. Yay, yay. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, man, we have put our 2018 together for the most part, or at least what we could do to it right now, man. We got everything done. However, we only need a few screws to go. So here, let's check it out. Here we have it, 2018 with the oohs and the ahs, of course. We got that green coming down the middle. You guys seen it in the sun yesterday, so I don't really necessarily got to pull it out today. But if we look like this now, granted, I got the outer fairing held up by just these 2 windshield screws. Now, I don't have these screws just yet. However, I just found some slits that we can slide in that sucker and get some screws. So I got to go to the hardware store, get one more of these. And then I only got 1 fender bolt. So the fender is not on there right now, of course, but I got 1 fender bolt. I'm gonna go to the hardware store, get another fender bolt, and then from there we'll get this outer fairing locked in, and everything there. We'll get those speaker covers on the speakers. Now, up here looks good. Now, I'm not gonna hold you. This gas tank is a little bit different. It's a CVO gas tank, but our CVO trim that we had on it initially, connector piece at the bottom is different, man. So I'm not able to use this one unless I switch that other connector piece out, which I don't have to switch it out. But so we're gonna have to use this dash, and then we'll find another gas tank screw for that. But of course I gotta wash the bike down. This thing is dirty as heck. All you gotta do is see, if I just touch it, it's like so much dirt on there. So I'm gonna pour this thing out, get it cleaned up, but I'm gonna do that after I get the bike fully complete. Now, we did get the Vance and Hines muffler on there. Like I said, everything on the bike is still dirty, man. I haven't washed it since I got the bike. So today we're gonna wash this sucker up. And then of course, you got the ooze and the eyes. Now, I love the color. However, it's just a little bit something different because I wasn't expecting to go this way. So all in all, it does look good. Now, on this gas tank, we do have our name on there, which is cool. However, I gotta switch the O-ring because if you guys see, that thing is drippy, drippy. I turned it on earlier and it was just pouring gas out of here, man. So gotta take this gas tank back off, get the O-ring changed out, and then we should be good there. And then gonna need some new spark plugs. These things are freaking rusted out. But other than that, no big deal. We'll get our outer fairing locked in, and y'all stay tuned, man. Let's see what we got. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, we got our outer fairing on there. Now, granted, we need some more windshield screws. We need one right here and one on the end. However, not that bad considering how it was, but all in all, we do got the whole front end on. I can possibly pop those screen covers in now, honestly. I could pop those screen covers in now. And then of course the back we've already seen, but it is looking fairly decent, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. Y'all know today you get 25 entries up until about 8 o'clock p.m. Central Time today, man. So if you're seeing this video right now, man, head on over to the website. That'sRegular.com, man. It's time to go yay, and it's time to get this show on the road, man. So I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, we are giving away this 2018 Road Glide. Now, this is going to be a super quick giveaway, and we only have like 132 hats left. We only started with like 195 to start with. So all in all, man, it's going to be 195 of you in this giveaway, man. I definitely appreciate each and every last one of y'all. If y'all just now tuning in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments below. Meanwhile, on the next video, man, we'll get a first ride on this joint because we got this bike started, but this is a different gas tank. So I need to change the O-ring on this gas tank so it won't drip out once we start this thing up, man. So y'all stay tuned. In the meantime, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's a movie.